Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your camera or phone on a tripod so framing never shifts. Once locked, set manual exposure and white balance to avoid flicker between frames. You'll shoot isolated increments, aim for 12 to 24 frames per second depending on smoothness you want. Make the first move small and consistent. Use a marker or cursor for reference. Begin capturing frame 1, then move your subject slightly and capture the next. This creates the core stop motion rhythm you'll edit in Capcut. Once done shooting, import every image into Capcut in chronological order so playback matches capture. Make each photo a short clip. Set duration to about 0.080, 1 seconds for roughly 10-12 FPS. Adjust to taste. To fine-tune motion, duplicate the timeline layer and lower opacity to use as an onion skin guide, making incremental adjustments easier. Add simple easing by slightly varying frame duration on key moments. Make sure clips are trimmed evenly. To finish, smooth visual inconsistencies. Apply a global color grade and use Capcut stabilizer sparingly if needed. Export using a fixed frame rate and resolution, for example, 24 FPS at 1080p, so playback is consistent on other devices. If you see flicker, apply exposure match to all frames or reprocess in batches with identical settings. Alternatively, use a subtle Gaussian blur or frame hold to mask tiny jumps. Finally, review the full export and make one targeted edit if timing or brightness still looks off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.